Hello, welcome back to Mr. GTTBOTR. Today I'm going to talk about the M58b pump action shotgun unboxed. As you can see, it's £30 and I got it from tsairsoft.com. First of all, you get a quick reloader. It holds about 90 BBs. It's pretty good for when you're trying to reload. The sling is thick. It's one of them better slings than you would get off different guns. It's thicker and it's got a metal clipping at the end of it. Here's the shotgun. Yeah, the shotgun's got quite heavy weight on it, and the top bit here where it's painted blue is metal, and so is the back bit where your handle is. So it's metal and plastic. Magazine's at the bottom. So there's a wee button. Click down. Pull that out. The magazine is pretty small. Holds about 14-15 BBs, so it's not too good. That's why the quick reloader is there. Yeah, it is pretty hard to get back in, but you'll get used to it after a while. It sounds good. And yeah, it's powerful. So this is a really good gun. I'd recommend it as using as a secondary class. And yeah, please like, subscribe and comment.